Hey guys, welcome back. Hey. I'm just coming into the salon right now. I'm all out of focus. Oh, I need to turn on this heater. It's so cold. I just walked in the door. Out of breath from walking up them steps. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I don't know why, I just haven't been feeling like coming into work lately, but let me get my life together. Get my stand for the camera. But I'm in the salon. I just walked in the door. I got some cleaning to do. I need to fill up my bundles. Look, we ain't got no wigs up here, y'all. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 wigs on my wall, and that's it. Normally I got at least 20 something. Ugh, I hate this. All right, let me put my camera on the stand so we can talk about some things. Can't hear the air, the heater I have on. Guess I could plug in my mic, huh? That might help. But just got into the salon. Sorry, y'all. All right, so literally I must have left in a hurry the last time I was here because I still got some hair on the floor. I need to clean up a little bit. Let me turn on my stove so I can do my hair. So let me get situated. I literally just walked in the door, y'all. Just trying to get back in the flow of things after the holidays. All my off time is over. I think I'm more irritated and frustrated and not in the mood to kind of come in because it's so cold. Like, and y'all know I'm in California, but I am freezing. When I got in the car this morning, I think it was like 30, 36, 39 degrees. I don't even know, but it's too cold for me. That's all I know. It's just too cold. So that's not why we're here. I'm here just to give you an update on my Hair Impex hair that I did a review on a little while ago. So this is the hair. All I did was wash it and literally let it air dry. And this is the way it came out. All right. This is the way it came out, washed and air dried, and that's it. I haven't styled her or done anything. All I did was lay my lace back down. My lace is still looking good. I don't know. Somebody said like they want me to sell my wig that I'm wearing, but I don't know if I want to sell her. I like her. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I do need to style her a little bit, maybe put some baby hairs in her and kind of fix the top part. I think I'm gonna just leave her the natural wavy texture that she is, but I do need to, like, I guess, do my baby hairs a little bit, press the top out a little bit, stuff like that. But so far so good. I wore her, the last time I had her on, I wore her for maybe like 2-3 weeks, and then I took her off, and then I think I put her back on for like 2 or 3 days because I was just kind of doing something really quickly, and then I took her off again. And I literally washed it. Well, I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but I washed her last night and I let her air dry, and then I just laid like 1 or 2 layers of glue and I put her on this morning. And she was fine. She did really good. The hair is really good. I could definitely see myself reusing it multiple times. So far, so good with this hair. And if you guys watched my video on the curly bundles, that I had when I got this hair as well. I have a client wearing that hair and she absolutely loves it. I did sell it to her for a little bit of a discount and she absolutely loves her hair. She didn't get it colored or anything, but she loves it so far. So I have another hair vendor coming. I ordered from them, so I will be doing a review on them as well. I won't do as long of a video as this last one was, because I just wanted to show you guys how I test the hair out in general. So this time I'm just gonna, you know, color the hair off camera, things like that, and then I'll show you what it looks like, kind of some clips in between of how I kind of did things. And of course I will be wearing the hair probably after I have this wig on. I'm gonna take it off and then I'll put my other hair vendor's hair in that I get. So I will do an unboxing of the new hair that I get. I am not gonna open it at all. And then I'll give you guys an honest review on this raw Indian hair vendor. Oh, and I am about to order, I know y'all been waiting for a Burmese curly hair vendor, okay? And I found another one. I have two that I use. One that I use all the time, and then I have another one that I've probably used like 2 or 3 times. But I found another one for you guys that I will be reviewing, and honestly, so far so good. I mean, everything that they've done, I've been in communication with them back and forth. They've sent me their whole price list. I've talked to them about their products and things like that. So far so good. They do sell a variety of hair, so maybe this might be a hair vendor where you can get a few things from. So I really hope, you know, you can get the Burmese curly hair from them, the Cambodian hair from them, and things like that. I will be ordering all of it together, and people have been asking me to review them. So I'm like, sure, why not? I think I've had 2 people ask me if I've ever used their hair before, and you know, I haven't, but I'm definitely gonna try them out, see if I like them. Hopefully you guys like them, and then you guys can go from there if you're looking for a hair vendor, and so on and so forth. So I hope that works out for you guys. But this hair, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now I'm a little torn. I like everybody loves this color on me, but I get more compliments and more, you know, better feedback when I just have like jet black hair. So I'm one to try different things. You guys know I've had green, I've had purple, I've had, you know, like a pinkish color. I've had all those kind of colors before. So I think I'm going to try a different color. Maybe I'll throw this pink wig on right back here. We'll see, I don't know. But so far so good. Let me take this off. The one thing I did like a lot from this hair vendor was the lace. The lace I like absolutely loved from this hair vendor. No complaints at all about the lace. It's definitely high quality lace, and I am satisfied with the lace that they gave me for this hair. I just no regrets at all when it comes to the lace. This is the second time I laid it down. Hopefully you guys can see. The third time that I laid it down. It's still thick. One thing you guys need to remember, do not rub or scratch your lace or do anything like that, because that's the way you lose more and more hair. I have these conversations with my clients all the time. They're like, my closures or my frontals or whatever, they don't last long. You guys need to take care, baby your lace frontals. 50% of my clients take really good care of their wigs, of their weaves, frontals, closures. And the other 50% of my clients, they literally come in and their hair is like butchered. And I'd be like, what happened? It's like you never wrapped your hair the whole time you've had it. I don't know what people be doing, but definitely do that. All right, you guys. So far so good. I love the hair. You guys are hearing it here. Hair Impex is really good. I have no complaints. I would definitely try to see if you guys can either sample the hair or you guys can try the different textures of the hair, because my client that wore the curly hair, she didn't get her hair flat ironed. So of course we got to try that out, see if it curls back up naturally and beautiful, which I'm sure it will. But you guys definitely need to test these things out on your own, because who knows if they know me, if they sent me hair that they wanted me to get. I mean, they didn't know I was doing a YouTube video on it, but I mean, you never know. So you guys definitely need to sample your own hair and definitely get it, purchase it, do all of your rigorous, you know, trials and errors of the hair, coloring, flat ironing, whatever you want to put it through, coloring it to 613. I didn't color mine to a 613, but you definitely might want to try and see if it can get that high. So just keep that in mind when you guys are looking for hair vendors, okay? So far so good. I think that's it when it comes to this hair. I'm definitely going to give you guys an update. The next vendor is going to be Indian hair vendor, but the one after that will probably be a Burmese curly vendor. And we gonna see. We gonna see if the Burmese one is up to par, because then I might be able to add that vendor to my list of vendors. Sorry y'all, my phone keeps going off. I need to put it on silent, but I got my nails on and it's hard for me to put it on. But I think that's it, you guys. I think that is it. I like the hair. Hair Impex is good so far. So I hope you guys can use that hair vendor in the future. If you want to use that hair vendor to start your business, see if they can keep up with the volume of hair that you guys need for your business and be consistent. So I think that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more vendor videos coming ASAP. I'm going to try to do one at least once a month for you guys. Hopefully we can get the job done and we can find you guys some raw hair vendors for your business if you guys are ready to start, or if you're just looking for a raw hair vendor to supply, you know, your personal plethora of hair that you need for yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.